Alright, while sipping my coffee, something popped into my head. I thought it would be better if I share with people. Someone might get benefited. So, this is all about. I wrote few lines of code, abject ordinary, but the purpose was to get over some of the hindrance posed by the system to so I took the time and write down few stuff, and importantly I exposed them to the public for their usage if they find it useful. So here in this video I'll revisit those stuff what I have written in the form of scripts. I'm giving you a heads up, this will be abject ordinary, so take it with a pinch of salt. So to give you some sort of sense what I have just babbled to you, let me go to my Emacs and let's find this is one of them, and you see the trivialities on it. It's simply clean up the accumulated backed up tar file. I have a cron job running in a specific time in the machine uh, to take the backup of my home section, home partition, which is on LVM, uh, so I can mount it with the different OSs, different version of Linux OSs. So once it's done, it put into a certain place under data directory, so it keeps getting accumulated because the corn will be run every day and it will be dumping the stuff in a certain file space, and the tar backup is almost 5 gig. So think about it, every day it's getting padded there in the same system in a different location. I just keep it for my own sake, and then I move it to a offsite stuff after a week or something like that. But till then I have to keep the disk consumption to a minimal, that something else not to get affected. For that reason I wrote up this few ordinary abject ordinary line to clean things up, except the day I run this script, which exclude the backup taken for that particular day, which is what the first find statement show you, this one. Okay, so where my cursor is hovering, this one, which will exclude that very specific day when the script is run, and take other backups, so it cleans things up. Now it will also ask you whether you really want to clean this. Just for my confirmation, it's very ordinary. It is indeed ordinary. So the basic purpose of that, to clean the disk space or claim the disk space from the accumulating tar backup file. You could use this in some other method, some other way. Other one is the similar way. You see, the same thing happened because I frequently build kernel from mainline stable long term. So things get accommodated under boot and the lib modules. These are the two very targeted location. effort from user SRC where the source getting accumulated if I decided to get the source build too. And so after some certain time, the things getting space constraint. So time to time, I need to run this script to clean things up from the boot directory as well as from the lib modules directory. Pretty ordinary stuff. Take advantage of FZF. You could use some other thing. This is not important, but the point is that to clean up the accumulated craft in the system. Okay, so these are now it begs a question: why not to do it automatically? I could, and it should be very easy in a various way. I could put that in cron. I could easily run it, but sometime I want to do something by hand. It's an old habit, and it's extremely difficult to die hard. So a few things I still do by hand when I feel it is necessary to run. May not be the right time or something like that. The timing will be decided by me. Had it been a large enterprise where everything will be timed, so automation comes into play, I could have arranged something else with the SCM, software configuration management, and put or take advantage of their capability to put it in a central server or somewhere to kick through all the servers. But this is for my personal use, so I sometimes prefer to run these things by hand. There are many things in my system which I time to time run by hand instead of doing automatically. There is a reason, and so you see the nature of it's almost laughably nothing, but it does thing which make things easy for me to just one keystroke and I get things done. Now I have jotted down few others, modified few other stuff which I'm not going to uh, include in this. I'm specifically bring up this too, that at least you could get the sense and apply it to some other similar kind of stuff which might be bugging you. So you don't have to write hell lot of complex stuff to get things done. The tools are there. You just need to spend a little bit of time thinking before rushing into putting things stuff, and this will do the job for you. That's what happening to me also. So I thought it will be useful for some people, not to everyone. I know few people, they might be already laughing at it. That's good. Good, good that they might have better solution. I don't mind. So if you have some, let me know in the comment section. I might adapt it. I said it many times. If you have a better solution with you, why not? Why not uh, let people know about it? And so other people can get benefited out of it, or they might have come up with something you might have think, or which in my case specifically skip my mind, so I might adapt your approach for betterment, right? So this is it. Thanks for watching.